Hi guys, I hope you're all well today. I'm here by face because I wanted to show you guys how I do my brows, and I've realized I've never actually done an eyebrow tutorial, so here it is. And I just wanted to show you what I actually do, what products I use, and go more into detail on how I get my eyebrows done. And I'll bring the camera closer so that we can actually focus on brows, and then come back to you. Hello guys, I am back. So this is how eyebrows look when they're just naked with no products in them, and they look quite bad actually, but what can we do? Okay, so let's get started. I usually start by brushing my brows, and I brush the front bit upwards, and then I brush my brows kind of be like going up, but then I bring them down towards the tail. So just like that. So brush the front bit up, and then the rest just bring it down like that. And do the same. This brow is my is the brow that I find it harder to actually shape, just because of the scar I've got that I got when I was a child. But this I do the same thing. Just brush it up and then go down. And then when I'm not actually going anywhere, or when I'm doing like more like a basic kind of brow, and I'm not let's say I'm going just to work and I don't want to wear so much makeup, I usually use this Bobbi Brown makeup, what's it called, it's like a powder kit, and it's got 2 shades. Let me show you how it looks. And yeah, so I usually use this on the days when I'm not doing a full face of makeup. But when I am doing like a proper full face of makeup and I want my eyebrows to look like on point, I go in with this brow from KaBrow. It's like a gel brow. I really like gel brows. I've tried using brow pencils, but I don't know, I find them too like creamy for me anyway. So I usually go in with this gel brow from KaBrow, and in the shade 5. I like to use my brow brush from BH Cosmetic in number 11. It's one of those angled brushes. I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah, it's like an angled brush. Usually my brows is what takes me quite a long time. It takes me about I don't know, maybe 10 to 15-20 minutes to actually get them done. So I start by drawing a line on the bottom, and I just drag it. I try not to be as precise when I do this, because I know I'm going to conceal. So I do this to start, and I draw. I also draw a line at the top, but the top line I don't draw it where the little hairs are at the front. But you know, the hairs that are brushed up, the line starts after them. If that makes sense, I'll just show you. From here. And I try and draw like an arch as we go along, and then after doing that I fill them in. And then in front of my brow I go in with the brush and I draw like little streaks. I go in with this brush from, again, BH Cosmetic, and it's one of those flat brushes. It looks flat, and I find it easier to use a flat brushes because it's easy to actually like conceal and do a straight line and conceal it properly. So I use this concealer from what's it called, from Makeup Revolution, and it's the shade 13, which is light, but not as light as the shade that I use when I do my highlighting concealer. So yeah, I just put a tiny bit on the brush, and then I conceal. That's my brow. It actually looks really good. So what do you guys think? I think that should look pretty good. But that's what I do. It's quite simple and it's quite easy. I mean, it took me about, let's check. Actually it took me about 10 minutes to get them done. Okay, I'll be going off camera and finish the rest of my look, and then come back to you and show you what everything looks like at the end. So hello guys, I'm back. This is my finished look and I love my brows. I actually think my brows look really good, but yeah, that's my opinion. What do you guys think? If you guys liked how I did my brows and my technique and everything, just please do let me know. And yeah, so you can go from zero, from literally having no brows or brows that look horrible, to this. If you guys like my makeup too, then please let me know so I can do another video on my look. But yeah, that's it from me today. I'll see you guys in my next video, and please do share and subscribe, and I'll leave the link below of the product that I've used and all my social medias and everything, so you guys can follow me on that as well. But yeah, that's everything from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!